What's up, everybody? The Munchie Chef. I'm back, baby. It's been many years since I haven't done a video, but I'm back. We're gonna try this one more again. We're gonna start off with a simple video of how to make fried Oreos. Simple, easy to do. All you need is some milk. I like to use milk with my pancake batter, Oreos. I like to use regular Oreos, but my nephew done went and got some double stuffed Oreos, but it's all good. We're gonna make it work. Batter them up, and then we're gonna fry them. Here we go. Just make as much as you want to make. We're gonna make just a few. Add some milk. Sorry, I can't give you an exact measurement because I just go with the flow. And if it needs more, I add more milk. If it needs more flour, I add more flour. This is going to need a little bit more milk probably. Yeah, it needs more milk because we need it to be a little bit runnier. I'm going to turn on my stove with the grease, with oil. Any kind of oil works. Vegetable oil, olive oil. That sounds about right. Looks about right. So then, I'm going to show you guys a trick that I learned a long time ago. You use a toothpick and it helps not burn your oil. I'll throw two in there. Helps the oil stay golden instead of burnt, because sometimes they'll burn. I'm going to turn the fan on so it's going to get a little bit loud. Not too loud, hopefully. You want it about that thick. It's got to be able to wrap around your Oreo pretty good. I'm going to use a fork. Use a fork to throw it in there. It's not quite hot yet. I've already turned it on, so I'll give it some time. But this is how it goes. It's simple. Another thing that we can use, here's some things you could add on to them: caramel, chocolate, syrup, and powdered sugar. Add peanut butter if you want to. I mean, whatever you want to add to it, you can add to it. However fattening you want it. Fattening is unhealthy, but fattening is delicious. Just look at me. I'm fattening, but I'm delicious. So it's been a long time since I made a video. As you can see, we're in a different place compared to the last videos. We've remodeled and it's all different. And now it's my first time making a video with this kitchen that I love. But here, I think it's hot enough. So all we're gonna do is grab it with the fork and just throw it in. That's basically it, y'all. Turn it down to like a medium-high heat. Let them fry on one side and flip it to the other when it's ready. That one wasn't quite ready. Like that they do. And it don't take that long to be done. They're basically done already. What was that, like a minute?
Yeah.
Minute and a half, 2 minutes max, I guess you could say. And that's it, you guys. Look. A little bit of powdered sugar. If you want. Honestly, I'm not a fan of powdered sugar. Well, you can just drizzle whatever you want on it. Voila! Then you just cut right through it, or grab it and eat it whatever way you want. Oh, it's falling off. Ooh, a little bit hot, but delicious. Make sure you have some milk, because you're gonna need it. But this is super bomb, y'all. Oh, really good. It's that simple, you guys. Pancake batter. Mix it up like you're gonna make your own pancakes. Throw some Oreos in it. Fry them up in oil. That's it. Done deal. You've seen it here from the Munchies Chef. Tune in next time. It's my first video back. Sorry it's a short one, but we're going to keep going and getting more things going again. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow, tell your friends. God bless. Peace. Are you ready?
Okay. And
Hold on. Can you see this?
no, you can't see that.
Okay. Just want to make sure you don't want to.
Hold on! Can you see this?